All set.
In just a few months, ticket holders will have more to be upset about than a season opener loss, because finding a place to park will be a bit more of a challenge. Since the city of Glendale demolished over 3,700 parking spaces in order to make room for a new outlet mall.
I know Glendale's in a budget crunch, but I think there's other options they could utilize.
Just a couple of months ago, over 9,000 ticket holders could park their cars here, walk across the street, and go to a Cardinals game. But that's simply not the case anymore.
They're going to probably have people not come up here for the games.
In a letter the Cardinals wrote to the city, they pointed out that Glendale has yet to provide a solution. But Julie Frassoni, the communications director for the city of Glendale, thought otherwise.
To say that would really not be accurate. They have our plan. They have some of the ideas of where we want to place this parking. There definitely is a viable solution and some options on the table.
The Cardinals' chief operating officer, Ron Miniger, said that we're disappointed that the city has put us in this position and are asking for a detailed plan that demonstrates exactly how it will provide the required parking. We hope that an acceptable resolution can be worked out before it adversely affects our fans.
We realize we're contractually obligated to provide this. It's an obligation. We just have to get to an agreement, to a point where both entities are happy.
Reporting in Glendale, I'm Lauren Tropea.